Good day, everyone, and welcome back. After the storm, here we are. Let's move on to quarter one, week number 5. And guess what? We're already halfway through the first quarter. And for this week, our topic would be how to graph linear equations in two variables. So let us proceed. First, let us have a review. We've already learned that we need ordered pairs xy to plot points on a Cartesian plane. Now, these 2 points, when connected, will form a line. A linear equation has the form ax plus by is equals to c. Here, a, b, and c are all constants, and it is very important that either a or b must not be equal to 0. We can also determine the slope of a line by using the following formulas. We have rise over run, or if we are given 2 points, we could use the formula y sub 2 minus y minus 1. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, let's take a look at it this way. Here is our Cartesian plane. Here is an ordered pair. The first number is x. The second number is y. So when we say x, the movement is along the x-axis. So it's either left or right. Since it's negative 2, the movement is to the left, which is negative 2. Okay, the 4 here is the movement along the y-axis. So it's either up or down. Since it's positive, we are going to go up 4 spaces. So we could plot the point here. Negative 2, 4. If we are going to be given another ordered pair, okay, again, we could plot it by using the x and y. So 4 is positive, so that's 4 spaces to the right. Y is negative 2, so that's 2 spaces downwards. So here we go. That is our point for 4, negative 2. Okay, so if we connect these points, we will form a line, and that line has an equation. It's a linear equation, which we have x plus y is equals to 2. We can solve for the slope of the line by using the formula rise over run. So rise is simply the difference in height. So it's either upward or downward. So from our first point, which is negative 2, 4, the rise is 6 spaces downwards. So that's negative because it's downward. The run is, so from the first point to the second point, we need to move 6 spaces to the right. So that will give us positive 6. So our slope is negative 6 divided by 6, which is negative 1. We could arrive at the same result using the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We simply substitute the values of our ordered pairs. So, there, we could get the same result, which is negative 1. Okay, so the difference in our lesson now is we're going to convert our ax plus by equals c format into the slope-intercept form. So the form is written this way. Y is equals to mx plus b. Okay? Here, m, o yung numerical coefficient ng x, is our slope. While our constant, which is represented by b, is our y-intercept. Okay, let's take a closer look. Ano ba yung y-intercept? Y-intercept is simply the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. Y-axis, diba, yun yung vertical line. So, saan ba tumama yung ating line? Along the y-axis. So, para tumama siya dun sa ating vertical line, dapat 0 yung ating x. Walang movement to the left, walang movement to the right. And then, we take the value of y. So, saan siya tumama? Sa 3, di ba? Positive 3. So, our point is on 0, 3. Okay? How about the x-intercept? Siyempre, kung x-intercept, across naman, the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. Again, yung x-axis natin, yun yung ating horizontal line. So, saan siya tumama? Para tumama siya dun sa ating x-axis, dapat yung y naman natin yung 0. And then, we look for the value of x, which is, saan siya tumama? Negative 2. So, our point is negative 2, 0. That is our x-intercept. Okay. So, again, this is our linear equation na nasa form na ax plus by is equals to c. Gagawin natin siyang slope-intercept form. Okay? So, para magawa yun, okay, sulat muna natin siya. So, di dapat may iwan si y. Diba? Isolate natin si y sa left side. So, ang ginagawa natin doon dati, diba? Lilipat natin si x. Dahil lilipat siya, tatawid siya doon sa equal sign, mapapalitan yung kanyang sign. Magiging negative. Pero yung actual na nangyayari, yan, we are actually looking for a way. Tawag natin doon addition property of equality. It's either we add or we subtract the same number dun sa left side ng equal sign at saka dun sa right side ng equal sign. So, para maalis si x, di ba positive si x, kailangan mag-minus tayo ng x. Kasi x minus x will give us 0. Ayan. So, kung nag-minus x tayo dito sa left side, magpa-minus x din tayo dun sa right side. Okay? So, yan. Siyempre, makakancel na si x sa left side. May iwan na si y. Tapos, itong kabila naman, kita nyo, pinagbaliktad ko lang siya. Sinunod ko lang yung format na mx plus b. So, mauna muna si x bago yung ating constant. So, negative x plus 2. Ayan, di ba? Magkamukha na siya. Nasa form na siya na y is equals to mx plus b. Sabi, di ba? Yung m daw, o yung numerical coefficient ng x, yun daw ang ating slope. So, ang m natin dito is negative 1. Yun naman ating constant, or yung b is equals to 2. Yun ang ating y-intercept. Okay, check natin, di ba? This is the exact line that we have before. Diba? So, sabi, ang slope daw ay negative 1. Tama. Diba? Negative 1 talaga yung na-solve natin. So, without using the formula, nalaman natin yung slope dahil kinonvert natin siya doon sa slope-intercept form. Yung y-intercept naman, i-plot natin. Sabi, ang y-intercept daw ay 2. So, tama, di ba? Nag-cross siya dun sa y-axis sa number 2. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun yung point natin. So, ang point natin or y-intercept is 0, 2. Okay? So, tama siya. Okay. So, ito ulit siya, no? Yung ating equation ay nasa form na y is equals to negative x plus 2. Halimbawa, wala pa tayong line. Pero, yan yung binigay sa atin, yung equation na yan. So, from here, dahil nga nandun siya sa slope-intercept form, papaplot na natin agad yung y-intercept. Kasi nakita natin yung b is equals to 2, kaya papaplot na natin agad yung 0, 2. Yan yung ating y-intercept. Tapos, dahil nga dun sa ating form na yan, alam na natin agad na ang slope ay negative 1. Eh, di ba yung slope, ang ibig sabihin niya, rise over run. So, pwede nating ma-figure out yung kasunod na point using rise over run. Dahil ang slope ay negative 1, dalawa yung pwede nating case. Pwedeng negative 1 over 1 or pwedeng 1 over negative 1. Kahit alin dyan sa dalawa, ang magiging sagot ay negative 1. So, try natin yung isa. Negative 1 yung rise. So, ibig sabihin, bababa tayo. Bababa tayo ng 1 space kasi nga negative 1. Tapos, ang run naman natin ay positive 1. Kaya, we move to the right, 1 space. Yan. Or, halimbawa, ayaw nyo yan. Gusto nyo yung isa, yung 1 over negative 1. So, positive 1 naman ang rise. So, akyat tayo ng isang space. Ang run naman natin ay negative 1. So, we move to the left ng isang space. Yan. So, using those points, pwede natin siyang pagdugtong-dugtungin at, di ba, we arrived at the same line. Pwede pa rin nating mag-graph yung line natin kanina. Di ba, yung line natin na x plus y is equals to 2. Pwede natin siyang mag-graph using the slope-intercept form na y is equals to negative x plus 2. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. Yun yung ating introduction video para sa ating lesson for this week. So, kindly wait para doon sa ating kasunod na video. Atin pang himay-himayin kung ano pa ba ang paano pa yung mga ways para makapag-graph tayo ng linear equation using our linear equation. Okay? So, again, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.